moving into the conversation here today, we're going to talk about the analytics catalog that we've implemented and the power of this work that we've done through our partnership with ZenOptics to implement this technology. Spoiler alert for you all, just to let you know, implementing this technology, getting it up and running, it has been a game changer for Brown-Forman. It is legitimately game-changing technology. So we're going to get into the details here in a little bit and demo the product and how it's been implemented, but just want to let you know it's pretty cool and I'm a big fan. And I wasn't paid to say that. So here we are. So just a little bit about Brown-Forman. We are a global spirits, beverage alcohol supplier. Own a whole portfolio of brands, most well-known being Jack Daniel's. We have another brand out there that you probably know. It's the sponsor of the Derby, the Kentucky Derby, Woodford Reserve. Have a whole portfolio of phenomenal products. One of my more recent personal favorites is an Irish whiskey of ours called Slane Irish Whiskey. I highly suggest that you give it a try if you ever have a chance to find it in the store. So just very quickly about Brown-Forman, founded in 1870, so we're about to come up on our 150-year anniversary, so it's a big deal to be that successful of a company over the course of 150 years of being a family-owned company. 4,700 employees worldwide, our products sold in 135 countries, and again, with the business that's that disseminated across the world, we're talking about also a highly regulated space, so lots of information in a lot of different places. So you can imagine, we're constantly having to wrangle our way through a number of different data sources, both internal and external. So with that being said, we have a lot of information. Okay, as you can see, tons of different data sources, and we've been consuming it and will continue to consume it in a multitude of different ways. Tableau being one of our favorites, but also a number of additional tools and legacy systems that we have in place that we continue to use, and we will not be sunsetting. There's no plan to do that. So with that being said, it's interesting. This whole story with respect to how we became interested in working with ZenOptics had nothing actually to do with the product itself at first. It had a lot to do with our implementation of Tableau throughout the organization. So the really interesting thing here is, we launched Tableau about 3 years into our Tableau journey now. And at first there was a lot of excitement, but as we started to launch it, we realized that it wasn't gaining kind of the daily adoption that we wanted to see it kind of obtain over the course of time. So we took a step back and we said, you know what, let's see what's going on. Let's check it out. So what we did is we surveyed the organization. We asked a number of people throughout the entire global business a lot of questions with respect to data and analytics and the consumption of information throughout the organization.